Carefully remove the protective tape and blue foam. Measure the aperture against your product. Ensure the bottom of the aperture is level. Use packers where necessary. If packers have been used, silicone them to the brickwork or floor. To ensure the sill is firmly sealed when placed, run a bead of silicone along the bottom. Proceed to lifting the bifold into the aperture. Using air wedges, hold the door in position. Next, mark out your fixing points. Intermediate fixings should be at centres no greater than 600 mm. No fixing should be closer than 150 mm to any internal corner joint. Starting at the bottom, drill your fixing point, then fix the bottom. Using a level, ensure the frame is upright and level. Drill your fixing point and fix the top. Drill and fix the remaining fixing points and check the doors are plumb. Fully open the door. Drill and fix the outer frame at the opposite side. Mark out your fixing points for the head of the outer frame. No fixing should be closer than 150 mm to any internal corner joint, and intermediate fixings should be at centres no greater than 600 mm. Drill fixing holes. Insert and tighten the fixings at both ends. Measure each end accurately to get your vertical measurement. Ensure the vertical measurement is the same while fixing your other points. Close the door. Fix your handles to the appropriate sash. Remove the foam holding the beads and place the beads in a reachable position. Always set beads out so it is obvious where they are to be reinstalled. Peel back the protective tape off the bridge packer and fit in corners. Use packers provided to toe and heel the sashes accordingly. Align the steel plate on the glass adjuster in line with the pre-drilled hole. Lift your glass into position. Ensure the glass is packed tightly and toed and heeled diagonally. Use an installation paddle to lever the glass down. Insert the bead into its position. With your opposite hand to the mallet, apply pressure into the direction it's going. Tap the shoulder of the bead whilst applying pressure to locate it into position, and gradually work your way along. Continue to insert the bead into position, always ensuring you reinstall the beads to their original position. Continue to lift units into position, remembering to toe and heel each unit with packers as each door leaf is glazed. This section of sample bead shows how the bead engages into the sash. Finish tapping in remaining beads. To adjust the packing, toe and heel, use a 4mm Allen key and adjust the glass adjuster situated at the top of the sash. Position the mag catch so the handles do not clash with the door and mark the center of the profile. Drill a 3.5mm hole to locate the mag catch. Fix the base into position and place the catch onto the threaded base. Rotate clockwise. Mark the second part of the mag catch by closing the door onto the exposed screw to ensure they butt up correctly. Place the catch into position and rotate clockwise. Remove labels and clean down the bifold and glass. Finally, open and close the doors to make sure they function correctly. and check locking gear works freely with keys.